Hi everyone, welcome to Core77's Design Awards. I'm Stephanie Young, the Design Director at Smart Design, and I have the honor of being this year's jury captain for the Health and Wellness category. This year, I was really fortunate to have my co-jurors join me in some fairly deep discussions and deliberations.
Hi, I'm Clay Wiedemann, and I'm the head of design at ZocDoc.
Hi, everyone. My name is Emily. I'm a strategy director working at the intersection of brand, innovation, and insights.
Hi, everyone. My name is Gina Ryman. I am the industrial design manager for wearables at Google.
Before we get started, I wanted to acknowledge what we've all been experiencing firsthand and how issues related to health and wellness can impact all aspects of our lives in an extremely personal way. For me, the pandemic has also brought to the forefront some long-standing issues, such as the importance of access to healthcare for everyone, the importance of having a robust system in place to deliver that care, and the importance of engaging and empowering people in their own well-being. These issues influence how we looked at this year's submissions and their relevance to what this future view of healthcare could really look like. The 2020 health and wellness entries covered a wide range of user needs and problems across all life stages. From premature birth to an aging elderly populations, entries ran the gamut from more tangible products like devices, furniture, and wearables to the less tangible like information design and service design. After much debate, we chose 3 core criteria to guide our decisions. Human need. Is it grounded in a true human need or problem? Is it solving for that need or problem in the best way possible? Design integrity. Is the design and the details of the design thoughtful, compelling, and innovative? Can it be easily implemented? Positive impact. What is the potential for positive impact? Does it have the potential to increase accessibility, reach, and/or positive outcomes? We're pleased to announce that the Core77 Health and Wellness Professional winner goes to the Real Immersive System. What struck us was how this solution leveraged VR to change the way people experience their healthcare. They took rehabilitation therapy and made it less intimidating by engaging patients on a more emotional and personal level to make it more fun and motivating. We also loved the design could put patients in a new, more encouraging environment and headspace almost immediately, and appreciated how it visualized patient progress no matter how big or small. They turned functional and tedious activities like lifting your arm over and over again into something more purposeful, like returning a little bird safely back to its nest. Lastly, and equally important, is that the therapist's experience was also greatly improved, as they now had precise data captured that they wouldn't have gotten otherwise, and that they could now leverage through an app to track the progress of their patients and adjust their individual plan accordingly. We believe that this could have had a major impact on the lives of many people, including those who have suffered a stroke, brain injury, or other life-altering conditions. And it was also really powerful how they challenged us to think about how a virtual world could help us create a much better real world. Congratulations, Real Immersive System.
The professional runner-up is increasing kidney transplant. In terms of impact, this entry targets a significant population with an unmet need, those suffering from kidney failure and waiting for a transplant. We felt it did an impressive job at designing a systems-level solution, balancing the demands of implementation and diverse stakeholders within a complex system. Creating behavior change is hard, and this entry provides some compelling design solutions to support clinical decision-making.
The professional runner-up is Spirohome Personal Ultrasonic Spirometer. It's a clean, simple design paired with advanced sensors, a considered out-of-the-box setup, and a well-designed holistic user experience. It's a product that makes caring for and tracking respiratory health more approachable and easier to do from the safety of people's homes, something that really resonated with the judges at this time.
Professional notables are J-Track Hanger System, Fitbit Premium Sleep, Peppy Splint, Voyar Frog Gait Trainer, Neuralink N1 Brain Wearable, and Easy Skin-to-Skin Baby-Wearing Apparel.
The 2020 Core77 Health and Wellness Award in the student category goes to Aerolyze. What was particularly great about Aerolyze is that for people who are pre-diabetic, it took the pain and inconvenience of pricking your finger and turned it on its head by removing blood from the equation altogether and replacing it with your breath to monitor your glucose levels. And since prediabetes is something that needs to be monitored in the moment, the clean and streamlined design cues helped to communicate that it was something that was less of a medical device and something more of a wearable that you should feel free to take anywhere. We also appreciated seeing the entire design process, from the initial personal story that inspired the project to the research insights and iteration of prototypes that informed the final design. We believe that Aerolyze's potential to provide actionable insights into triggering behaviors and the way it makes it easier for people to manage their glucose health on the daily could potentially impact the millions of people around the world who are pre-diabetic. Congratulations, Aerolyze.
The student runner-up is Orvis. It's a thoughtful update to an archetypal product that expands on its functionality, improves the ergonomics of its use, whilst retaining the iconic form factor of the stethoscope. When I saw this concept, it had an immediate aha quality, which to me is a sign of a design that strikes the right balance of innovation and familiarity.
The student runner-up is Hope. This looks like an excellent solution that incorporates texture, sound, and haptic feedback to help the blind select, measure, and pour liquid medicines. For the visually impaired, the caps are also brightly colored. What really stood out to us is the way this design uses several channels for clear communication and function. It's really an elegant, compact solution.
The student notables are Answer Wheelchair, Coda and Pablo, Caddy, Symbio, Vento Hypoxia Treatment, and Sound Stories.
Congrats to all of this year's winners, and thank you for all of the thoughtful submissions. And a special thanks to Core77 and my co-jurors this year.